Hello, I'm Chris. Today I'll be sharing 7 expert tips to help you save money on petrol or diesel by making your fuel last longer. Let's get started. Windows open versus air conditioning. Which saves more fuel? Whether to open windows or use air conditioning depends on speed. At speeds above 50 miles per hour, air conditioning is more fuel efficient, as open windows create drag, forcing the engine to work harder. When driving on slower roads, it might be better to open the windows instead of using the air conditioning to reduce how much fuel you use. Having the air conditioning on can increase fuel consumption by up to 10%. Coasting, which is driving in neutral with the clutch pedal depressed, is not recommended for fuel savings. Most modern cars have fuel cut-off systems that deactivate the fuel supply when the accelerator is released, making coasting ineffective at saving fuel and potentially unsafe. When coasting, you don't have full control as you can't suddenly accelerate out of a situation. You also lose engine braking and risk overheating your brakes when coasting downhill. Driving faster uses more fuel. Driving at 70 miles per hour uses up to 9% more than 60 miles per hour. And driving illegally in the UK 80 miles per hour can use up to 25% more fuel than at 70. If the speed limit allows it, many drivers believe that maintaining a speed of exactly 56 miles per hour offers the best fuel efficiency. The reality is that the most fuel efficient speed varies depending on factors like the car's type and size. Generally, speeds around 45 to 50 miles per hour are considered the most efficient. One of the keys to saving fuel is driving at a constant speed. While the cruise control can help maintain a consistent speed on flat surfaces like motorways, its effectiveness varies on other road types. On an uphill, cruise control may lead to increased fuel consumption. This occurs because cruise control systems are slower to adjust to changes in road gradients. For example, if you're driving up a hill, you'd naturally ease off the gas pedal when you reach the top, to keep a steady speed as you go downhill. But if you're using cruise control, it might not realise there's a downhill ahead, so it could keep pushing the gas pedal longer than needed. This leads to using more fuel over time if you consistently drive this way. Keeping your tyres pumped up to the right amount is important for using less fuel. When your tyres don't have enough air, they increase rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work extra hard, and you end up using more fuel. Checking and maintaining tyre pressure, especially before going on long drives, will help you save money on fuel and get the most out of every drop. Having extra weight in your car makes it use more fuel, so it's a good idea to take out anything you don't need. This helps make your car lighter, which means it uses less fuel and saves you money. Pack smartly to reduce weight and aerodynamic drag. Smooth driving habits such as gentle acceleration, anticipating traffic flow, and avoiding braking unnecessarily really help to be more fuel efficient. Stopping and then starting again uses more fuel than rolling. Slow down early for red traffic lights or when approaching a queue, and you may not need to stop completely. Don't drive like this. The revs are too high, and also accelerating too harshly. Changing up gear earlier and not letting the engine rev high will also save you money, but you don't want the car to be labouring too much either. Instead of taking lots of short trips, try to combine them into one longer trip if you can. A warmed up engine operates at its peak efficiency, whereas frequent cold starts can lead to higher fuel consumption, even if the overall distance travelled is the same. Did you know that sometimes you're allowed to stop in yellow box junctions? Watch this video next to find out more. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe as it really helps us make more videos. In the meantime, keep safe on the road and bye for now.